Introduction. Shreya is a doctor. She is returning to India after 10 long years. On her way home from the airport, she is saddened to find overflowing municipal garbage bins, spilling dirt and spreading diseases at many places. She decides to take up the issue with the municipal corporation the next day. In this lesson, we will learn about local government bodies and their functions. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define local bodies, list the functions of municipal committees and corporations, state the source of income of local bodies. Municipal Committee. Municipal committees look after the needs and welfare of the people in towns and cities. Municipal corporations work for the welfare of the people in metropolitan cities. Members of local bodies. Municipal committees and corporations are known as local bodies. Members of the municipal committee or corporation of a town or a city are elected by the people of that town or city. All men and women who are 18 years of age or above are allowed to cast their votes in municipal elections. The elected members of a municipal committee or corporation elect their chairman. In big cities, the chairman is called the mayor. He is the head of a municipal committee or corporations. Functions of municipal committees and corporations. Municipal committees and corporations look after maintenance of roads, maintenance of parks and gardens, removal of garbage, drainage of water, supply of clean drinking water to people, street lighting, opening of hospitals, dispensaries and healthcare centers, and opening of primary schools. Source of income of local bodies. Local bodies get money for provision of services from the respective state governments. The state governments in turn get the money from their citizens through property taxes, road taxes and toll taxes. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Municipal committees and corporations look after the needs and welfare of the people in towns and cities. Members of municipal committees and corporations are elected by the people of respective towns and cities. Mayor is the head of a municipal committee or corporation. Municipal committees and corporations get money for provision of services from the respective state governments, which in turn collect it as taxes from the citizens.
Goodbye.